Hey guys, so today we're going to be trying out this new Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. It's supposed to make your brows look fuller. It's like a liquidy gel that you kind of take off, I think. I don't know how this works, but it's supposed to last for 2 days. So I already have thick brows, as you can tell. So I'm going to be trying it on, and hopefully it doesn't make me look too crazy because I have to go to work after. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching and make sure to like and subscribe if you're not already. So this retails for $12.99 on Ulta. So I think I did get it at Ulta, so that was quite expensive then. I'm gonna try it out because I already have like little, they're full but they're sparse on top, and they don't really have like a nice shape that I want, and they're not even. So I'm gonna try this on with an angled brush and then buff it out with the spoolie. And hopefully it doesn't look too crazy. I did open it. It's like a thick brown liquid. So this is what it comes in, this little tube. And then it also comes with a spoolie. So when you open it, it has a spoolie applicator. But this has so much product on it that I'm not going to just put it on. I'm going to take an angled brush and then put it to how I like it. And hopefully it works nicely. So you can see my brow shape. It's lacking up here a little bit, and then I just like to fill in the front as well. And they're not even in shape, so we're gonna try. If this works, this would save me so much time because doing my brows take like 15 minutes, even though they're already full. Okay, so what I'm doing is just rubbing off the excess. So I'm gonna go in with an angled brush and just draw my brows normally, like how I normally would. Just a little bit went a long way. I was able to fill in my brow. You can see it's already a lot fuller than what I started off with. So what I already like about this is it looks so natural. It does not look filled in. It legit looks like my brow hairs. This is pretty cool. They do look pretty dark, but they look natural, like they're my actual brow hair. When you zoom in, it doesn't look like gel or like pencil or anything. It looks like it's your brow hair, so I like how much it blended in with my hairs. It does look pretty dark, so I'm going to go ahead and brush it out with the spoolie that they gave me. Okay, so now that I've brushed out the product, it says to let it dry for 1 minute. So it says optional to let it dry for a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and let it dry for 1 minute. In the meantime, I will go finish the rest of my makeup and then we'll be back. Okay, so it's been way more than a minute. And as you can see, they are dry. I'm really happy with how they look. I did conceal under, and if I go like this, I don't have any product that comes off. This is supposed to be waterproof. Yeah, it's a waterproof brow gel, which means that it shouldn't come off for 2 days according to this packet. So I'm going to be updating you guys every single day for the next 2 days in a vlog style to tell you if my eyebrows are still on or not. Keep in mind, I do wash my face at night and I use a toner, so maybe that will affect the results. It says not to apply that around the brow area. I will try not to, but we'll see how much stays on in the end of 2 days. But as of right now, my thoughts are that this is pretty cool. It's a gel, so it also keeps it in place, so I don't have to worry about flyaway brows. And it's a nice color, and it filled in my brows very nicely, just like how I like them. So right now, I'm a fan. I'm going to tell you if it stays for 2 days, and even if it doesn't, it's a pretty good brow product. It fills in pretty good. And it's a 2-in-1, so even if it fills in, it also keeps it intact as well. So the time is 7:56. It's been about 5 hours, almost 6 hours, And as you can see, my brows are still on. I mean, usually when I fill them in, they don't come off anyway. But I'm doing this and there's nothing coming off. So far so good. I haven't washed my face yet. I just got home. So we're gonna eventually wash my face and take off the makeup. So we're gonna see how it holds up with face wash and toner and moisturizer, and then I'll give you an update after. But so far so good for the brow product. So I washed my face and I did my toner and I applied moisturizer. As you can see, the brows are darker than when I first started, but whatever I filled in is gone. So you can see it's back to sparseness up here and it's kind of lagging up there, but the gel did leave a tint, which wasn't my problem to begin with because I already have dark brows. My concern was to just keep them filled in, but as you can see, it left it dark, but whatever was filled in is gone after the moisturizer and the toner and cleanser. I would be comfortable leaving my house in this, but it's not my desired brow because I like them filled in. They still look pretty sparse and kind of messy because they're not done. So I'm kind of disappointed about that, but it did leave it dark. So if you have light brows, this would work perfectly for you with keeping the gel, making it darker. It's now the next day, the next morning, and my brows are the same as when they started, so it's completely gone. All the tint is gone. They look right back to what I started with, so clearly it didn't last 2 days for me. I think anyone that washes their face and puts on toner, it will not last, because how is it supposed to last if you wash your face? And I'm not gonna not wash that part of my face. That would be gross. So it did work as a nice brow filler and brow product, but 2 days did not last on me. So maybe it works on someone else but not me. So I guess it's a win and a loss. Final thoughts: it's a great product to fill in your brows, but it did not last 2 days. So if you're looking for longer coverage, you might want to try a different product, a different brow tint. But this brow gel did not last 2 days for me. So if you guys like these kinds of reviews, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel because I do a bunch of reviews. And thank you guys so much for watching.